please, can we go and the other side? Let's go to the other side when they are planning to go. The safety measures. Let everybody be safe. Yanga. Namanve.
Hello.
Yo. What are you going to do?
It is exactly 12:34 p.m. here in Kampala, and this train is setting off from Mukono. We want to estimate how long it's going to take us to travel from Kampala to Mukono, because on a normal day along Kampala-Jinja Road, it will take you between an hour and 30 minutes to reach to Mukono because of the traffic jam. Ziri essaawa 6:35 tusimbula wano mu Kampala okugenda mu lugendo lwaffe olw'e Mukono. Kyokka mu lunaku lwa bulijjo bw'oba ova e Kampala ng'odda Mukono kiyinza okutwalira wakati wa ssaawa 1:30 olwa ziri ssaawa 6:35 tusimbula okuva wano e Kampala okudda e Mukono nga tukozesa eggaali y'omukka. Kyokka mu nnaku eza bulijjo bw'oba okozesa oluguudo lwa Kampala-Jinja Road kikutwalira wakati w'essaawa n'eddakiika 3 okutuuka e Mukono. Twagala kumanya train eno egenda tutwalira bbanga ki okutuuka e Mukono.
and the other side. Let's go the other side when they are planning to go.
abakozi ffenna abakola mwene ku kino ekitongole tugende mu maaso
The safety measures,
ebyokwerinda
let everybody be safe.
Yanga.
We are launching
Oli set. Oli kwendi. Sound.
Okay, today on Independence, we are celebrating 62 years of independence. But most important for Uganda Railways, we are relaunching the Kampala Namanve passenger services. As you recall, the line has been closed. It was under rehabilitation, but now it's open, as you can see. I'm sure you're going to go out with us on the rail. So we are launching the Kampala Mukono passenger services.
So we are heading up to Mukono, we're not stopping in Namanve now?
Yeah, now we're going beyond Namanve, we're going all the way to Mukono.
Okay.
Yes.
What does this then mean for people who use the main road?
Well, we are going to decongest that road. As you know, moving from Mukono to Kampala can take you close to 2 hours. Now you're going to realize you're probably going to take below 1 hour, probably 40 minutes or 30. Now that is very tremendous. So we are decongesting the roads. It is safer, it's faster, and cheaper.
Let's talk about the tons. Every day, the routes you're going to be taking in a day.
We'll take probably 2 routes in the morning and 2 in the evening, and they will keep on improving as we get more coaches and more locomotives.
Now that you received money from the African Development Bank, let's talk about the future plans. After this, what next?
After this, we are growing the rail sector. More locomotives, more wagons, better rails, better stability. So to take on more passengers, more tonnage of goods. So we're basically building Uganda.
We're talking about Chengera Road. When
Yes.
is that?
I do not have specific timelines, but we've already done scoping of works. We are about to tender for the lines. So in a year or two, we should be ready to use those lines.
Has the ministry released the money yet for this?
Well, it's a process of not just release, it's a process of procurement. So certain things have to happen. But we have the money.
No.
Yes, we have the money. But don't come for it in my pockets.
The last one from me.
Yes.
Of the almost 1 trillion, how
Yes.
much did you spend on Mukono Kampala? How much was the part spent on Mukono Kampala?
2 figures, because you said $1 trillion, I don't know where you got that. But on another good day, but a bit substantial money has been spent. As you'll see, we've upgraded from steel sleepers to concrete. Now that's quite a substantial investment in our sector.
Okay.
Yes.
The names and titles?
My name is Andrew Chigumba Muguluma. I sit on the board of directors and I'm the head of the technical committee. Leero tujaguza emyaka 62 kasokedde Uganda efuna okwefuga, naye specifically leero tuzzaawo entambula y'abasaabaze ku luguudo lwa Kampala ne Mukono. Luli tubadde tukoma Namanve naye kati tweyongeddeyo tugenda kutuuka Mukono. Kyekitulese era n'abantu bazze abatatambulirangako ku train abatambulirako, era mujja kulaba nkiwa nti tugenda kubeera ffenna ku luguudo nti eddakiika zekikutwalira okugenda Mukono zigenda kukendeerera ddala. So tugenda kujja emmotoka ennyingi ku luguudo tuziteeke ku lutindo, obudde bw'okutambula bugenda kwanguwa ate nga n'ebbeeyi ntono.
Omuntu asubire mugenda koma Mukono okuva olw'e.
Uganda yonna tugenda gibuna ssebo. naye tujja kukikola mu mitendera. Yes. Waje? Abantu tujja banga updates. Kakati tuli mu ntegeka. Ebyuma bino byolaba. Kakati omutwe ng'ogwo. Togenda mu dduuka n'okugula. Ogenda ujja bagukolera India, Malaysia, ne musooka ne mutegeragana n'amanyi oluguudo webufaanana. Train ekola for example mu UK tesobola kukola wano. Entindo zaffe ziri different. Enguudo zaabwe ziri different. So birimu tugumiikirize. Naye mu myaka ng'esatu ena tugenda kulaba enkyuka ennene ennyo mu ntambula ya lw'e.
Mukono ngenda kusasulanga ssente mmeka okujja mu train era mugenda kutambulanga emirundi emeka olunaku era saawa
Mukono siri social naye endowooza zijja kuba 10 okuva e Mukono kubanga kyeyongerayo kuva e Namanve. Tujja kutambula emirundi 2 ku makya n'emirundi 2 olw'eggulo.
Tukwate twogera ku lw'ekyengera kuba n'abeeyo nabo bakaaba era lw'eno
bagambe balekerawo okukaaba tukikolako era nga bwe mbagambye okugula kakati zino lw'e ze mulaba omuntu alina okumanufacturingira so okola order ne wayitawo emyezi naye nga bwe ngambye mu myaka 3 tugenda kulaba enkyukakyuka nnene nnyo mu ntambula ya lw'e.
Ogende ku nsimbi ministry ya transport okubawa ssente okugamba lobbying.
Tekirimu.
I work with Prudential Uganda. So when you see me here, I am a living testimony. And I can talk and you may be excited. At first, my dad was staying at Sugunamuongo in 19-something. We used to board the train from here to Tororo. And unfortunately, time came and the train